Welcome everyone. In this video we will talk about stomach ache after eating sushi. Stomach ache after eating sushi can be caused by a variety of factors. The most common reasons are 1. Food poisoning. Sushi, especially raw fish, can sometimes contain harmful bacteria like Salmonella, E. coli or Listeria that can cause food poisoning. Symptoms of food poisoning from sushi include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and abdominal cramps. This is typically due to improper food handling, storage, or preparation. Proper hygiene and temperature control during sushi preparation is crucial to prevent bacterial growth. 2. Parasites. Raw fish used in sushi can also harbor parasites like Anisakis that can infect the stomach and intestines, causing severe abdominal pain, nausea, and vomiting. Thoroughly cooking fish or freezing it before eating can kill any parasites present and prevent this type of infection. 3. Allergic reaction. Some people may have an allergic reaction to the fish or other ingredients in sushi, like soy sauce, rice, or seaweed. Allergic symptoms can include stomach ache, nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. People with known seafood allergies should avoid sushi and sashimi. 4. Indigestion. The combination of raw fish, rice, and other sushi components can sometimes be difficult to digest for some individuals, leading to indigestion, bloating, and abdominal discomfort. Eating sushi in moderation and avoiding overeating can help prevent this. For more information, please go to the description after the end of the video. There's a lot of important information for you. To avoid stomach issues after eating sushi, it's important to source sushi from reputable restaurants that follow food safety guidelines. Freezing fish before preparation can also kill any potential parasites. People with food allergies should avoid sushi entirely. If stomach pain or other gastrointestinal symptoms do occur after eating sushi, it's best to see a doctor, as severe cases may require medical treatment. Finally, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel to receive everything new. See you in the next videos.